Hi guys. So the topic of this video is just understanding where are we in terms of AGI and what are its implications. So see guys, the full form of AGI is artificial general intelligence. So the idea is that can you have systems which essentially have GI. What is GI is general intelligence. So guys, see, try to understand the fact that how do humans learn. The fact is, whenever you go on the street nowadays in order to walk, whenever a car is coming in front of you, automatically you adjust your speed. Either you walk slowly, either you walk fast. So, what is the implication of this context? The implication of this context is that no one has actually ever in the sense that told you that on this day this will happen and you need to act like this. So you have general intelligence. That means something happens in your brain due to which you take actions. The same way, if we have an AI system, okay, AI model which is able to understand the world in a general way, and thus if it is able to understand the world in a general way, it can do any task. Okay, so this is the main idea of AGI. Okay, so if we have AGI and it is very powerful, because why AGI will be powerful? See, guys, I can acquire only limited knowledge, right? I might know something about AI more than you, but you may know about you may know about more about cricket, you may know more about soccer. So if we have a system which can essentially have a great level of knowledge on all fields, then just understand and just refine this thought on how can that system actually change the world. Okay, because then that system, if you tell them that hey, can you create 10 models, 10 AI models based on cricket specifically, it can do research as well. Okay guys, so let's just move ahead and try to understand more about this paper. Okay, so this paper is essentially position levels of operational progress on the path of AGI. Okay, now let's go down. So see guys, let's just try to see that what are they saying. Okay, let's just read this. And guys, this is by Google DeepMind, so this is very important paper. You should read all these papers. Artificial general intelligence is an important and sometimes controversial concept in computing research used to describe AI system that is capable at human at most tasks. And guys, it won't be capable as a human, it would be more capable than a human. Because guys, we have limitations, right? Let's say I work only 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours a day, 10 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours a day. But my system can work 24 hours a day. It doesn't need rest. Given the rapid advancements of machine learning models, the concept of AGI has grown from a subject or philosophical debate to near term practical relevance. I think, yes, guys, this is true. Some experts believe that sparks of AGI are already present in latest generation language models. So, guys, there was a research paper called Sparks of AGI. You can read it, but that's essentially showcasing the fact that even the current language models have some sparks of AGI, which is true. See, guys, I'll give you examples because this is basically a little tricky for you also to understand of how it will impact you. So, guys, this is the perfect chart which I want to discuss. Mainly, this video is for this chart only. Okay, let's just try to see this chart. So, see, guys, how are levels of AGI defined? Okay, so the thing is, level 0 is no AI. Okay, calculator, software, and compiler. Okay, human in the loop programming and basic stuff. So, guys, see, this is basic stuff, right? Let's say you create a program that's gonna calculate BMI. So, there is no AI, but there is a compiler or basically a tech element involved. So, there is level 0, no AI. So, obviously, we have passed this. Right now, guys, we are in emerging phase. Okay, equal or somewhat better than an unskilled human. This is true, guys. See, chat GPT or any other baseline language model is better in coding than me, in most of the cases, right, is better than writing, reading, understanding of the world, not in terms of physical stimulation, but in terms of theoretical knowledge. It is way ahead of me and 99.99% humans. So guys, the next phase would be what people are calling as reasoners. So you will have systems which are at least 50 percentile of skilled adults, and this is dangerous, guys. Okay, this is very dangerous, because if you have a situation where AI is competent enough as 50% of the skilled labor, this is the time where truly job losses will accelerate a lot, because you will have systems which are so capable, right? Any company would want to manage a piece of software rather than people. There are few examples as well, right? So basically, see, SOTA LLMs for subset of tasks, short essay writing, and simple coding. So guys, in simple coding we have already achieved this level, okay, at least 50 percentile of skilled adults. You can try Sonnet 3.5, you can try GPT-4, um, you can try Cursor AI alongside Sonnet. You can try out even GPT 3.5 is also not so bad. Essentially, these models are very good in coding. Can they really do it all? No, but can they at least do it, say, 10-20% of the tasks, which is true, right? That's how most of the people work, right? Because see, I'm not saying they are super skilled, but at least they are skilled to 50 percentile of the coders. I'm sure about this. Now the thing is, guys, level 3 experts, this is more towards 20, 30, 30, 35, and this is dangerous, guys. If we reach here, if scaling laws continue, I'll tell you about scaling laws as well, then guys, this will be really dangerous. Because see, essentially, if you have systems which are more skillful than 90 percentile of the skilled adults, then anything can happen, guys. Okay, just imagine, I can have 100 employees, 100 AI employees working for me, and I can even have a company, right, of just AI employees. So guys, this is there. Then guys, this is level 4, 99 and 100%. So see guys, AlphaFold, AlphaGo, I'll tell you more about AlphaGo. Okay, so let's just try to close it and let's just see what AlphaGo is. AlphaGo. So see guys, this is actually super, this is some sort of AGI, I would say. Okay, let me give you a situation, or let me explain you what exactly is this and why are we talking about this. So see guys, Google AlphaGo is a thing by Google DeepMind. It is essentially, you can consider a model which is specifically trained in order to play the game of Go. Okay, this is a game called Go, in which you have to keep pieces and stuff and conquer some territory. So this is a um, South Korean game, I believe. So guys, this was world number 1 player and AlphaGo beat it 4-1. And you know guys, this player has now stopped playing professionally because he believes that if AI is able to beat him, he actually cannot do anything. So guys, that's also a philosophical debate, but the thing is that only guys, that in near future, and by near future guys, see, if you talk about next 10-20 years, you might have such systems, trust me. In the next 20 years, I believe you might have these type of systems which are essentially better than humans in subtasks. So you will have similar systems in coding. Okay, you will have similar systems in system design, similar designs, creative writers. Okay, you already have a lot of models in terms of image generation, right? DALI, image gen, mid journey, these are better than human designers. And guys, in like in terms of Hollywood, right, in terms of Hollywood or video generation, maybe you will have Sora will get more improved. I don't know guys what will happen in future, but I wanted to give you a glimpse of this thing is very important. So guys, for the time being, you can start upskilling as well in AI. This is my channel guys, please subscribe. The idea is, first of all, I have a AI engineering beginner playlist guys. This is for beginners. I have made sure to cover everything which you need to know to get started. Then guys, I have some data science project ideas. Okay, these are good for beginners to pick up use cases. Then guys, the thing is, I have an end-to-end data analytics project, and a lot of more data analytics project will come up here only. Then guys, I have a data science industry ready project. Okay, already I guess a lot of videos are uploaded. Okay, and soon I think more videos will get uploaded, and I'll complete this end to end. Okay, so see guys, the main objective is you have to prepare and learn AI. Okay, this is the bare minimum you can do in order to just get started. Today you can do this only. The next thing I think I wanted to talk about scaling hypothesis. Okay, let's just stop it and let's talk about scaling hypothesis, or perhaps scaling laws. Scaling laws archive. So guys, this is also very nice topic to study if you wish to explore the world of LLMs little more better. You would really understand what is happening. Okay, this is essentially a research paper by OpenAI. So what are they saying? They are saying, so they are what they are saying is, we study empirical scaling laws for language model performance on cross entropy loss. Okay guys, so this is a type of loss function. Okay, so in neural nets, if you would have studied, the loss function gets optimized. Okay, the loss scales as power law with model size, so you need to go up in model size, data set size, so you need to have a larger data set and amount of compute used for training. So guys, see, this is what they are saying is, the moment you have more model size, more data set size and amount of compute used for training, you might have a better model, and no one knows when this law will be plateaued. Okay, so it's growing in terms of performance. Just try to see the performance of chat gpt 3 and sonnet 3.5 in terms of coding tasks. Okay, you will realize that there is a good jump that it has taken. Okay, and this is a general model, right? There are few specific agentic models as well which are here in terms of coding. So the game is that till when will the accuracy improve and then flat, then the curve will become flat. No one knows this, so everyone is spending a lot of money in order to get this stuff going in and rolling in. So this is basically essentially scaling laws, that hey, can we have systems which are more compute intensive, more heavy models. And guys, see, even to deploy such things, to train such things, a lot of compute is going to be required. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. This video would go under this section of my YouTube, that's data talk. So guys, if you're interested, please subscribe, and also you can DM me over LinkedIn or Instagram. Thank you friends.